Hello everyone, today I am going to share about a story depend on father and son. Are you getting? So let's begin and today we will learn by the some slides. Okay? Are you getting everyone? So let's start and you can see this story on your mobile screen. So let's begin. First we will talk about you can see in on your mobile there is a wife and the second picture in second picture is husband and they talk to each other and the husband said to his wife, I will you know once I came home, keep the phone now. I will let you know once I come home, keep the phone now. And then the second slide is, oh no, I just forgot what, oh no, I just forgot for what I had called. That means जिस मकसद के लिए इन्होंने कॉल की थी ये भूल गई. ये बात किसने बोली? फीमेल. She speak, oh no, I just forgot for what I had called. And then third slide is the husband said, the husband says his wife, hello, are I told you now that I am driving now, I will take to you once I came home. Hello, are I told you that I am driving now, I will talk to you once I come home. And then Papa has not eaten his favorite sweet since long time. Who said that? To wife says to his husband what she said? She said, Papa has not eaten his favorite sweet since long time. Please bring it while coming back home. Please bring it while coming back home. And then next slide will be, okay, I will get it. Keep the phone now. Okay, I will get it. Okay, I will get it. Keep the phone now. And next slide is, just wait for 2 minutes. I will park the car aside. That means our father, uh, our father want to permission to his son. I want to go washroom. So the son says to his father, just wait for 2 minutes, I will park the car aside. And then always find the way to escape. That means भागना या फिर कहीं पर निकल जाना. Are you getting? Always find the way to escape. Who said that? Son says to his father, always find the ways to escape. And then, Papa, don't go out anywhere, I will just come back in 2 minutes. Who said that? Son says to his father, Papa, don't go out anywhere, I will just come back in 2 minutes. And then there is a hawker in this picture. He sing a song, बारिश का महीना और पवन करे शोर, something like that. The sentence translate would be, month of monsoon is here and wings are making noise. Month of monsoon is here and wings are making noise. Who said that? Hawker said that, and Hawker sing a song. And then Hawker shouted to her his father. Hawker scolded his father and he said that, excuse me uncle, what do you want? Excuse me, uncle, what do you want? What do you want? And then Hawker says, okay, but do you have money? You want to do something? So you want something? So Hawker says to his father, okay, do you have money? And then Hawker says, you can see there's a photo of his father. God knows from where these people come from. Who said that? Hawker said that God knows from where these people come from. And then, okay, take it and go. When you give someone, so if you don't want give someone, so you can say that, and you can notice some of people when they don't want give anything, and if they if they would be if they could be give anything, so uh, so her or his face like that, you can see on your mobile screen. He said that, okay, take it and go. And then, hello, Mr. Yadav. Oh, Yadav ji. Who said that? Hawker said that to Yadav ji. Who is Yadav ji? A person who wear a white t-shirt. A person who wear white t-shirt. His name is Yadav. Are you getting? Hawker said that, oh, hello, Yadav ji, Mr. Yadav. Mr. Yadav ji, oh, Yadav ji. Are you getting this thing? And then Hawker said that, come after a long time and alone. Where are your family? Come after a long time and alone. Where is your family? And then all of them are gone out to Noida. Who said that? Surinder. What is his name? Surinder. No. Ravinder. Yes, Ravinder. He a person who wear white T-shirt. His name is Ravinder. Yes. Ravinder said that all of them are gone out to Noida. All of them, that means his family has gone to Noida. Are you getting? Ravinder's family. There talk about Ravinder family. And next slide. Listen, make some nice ragada patties for Samir sir. Who said that? Hawker said to his, what do we call, helper. Okay. Who said which kind of thing he said? Hawker said, listen, make some nice ragada patties for Samir sir. Just make sev puri for me. Samir sir said that, okay, make a nice and spicy sev puri for sir. And they talk about each other. And then Yadav ji, at least give him one plate to eat. Yadav ji, at least give him one plate to eat. Who said that? Samir. Hawker said that to his helper. Sir, many more people here every day to eat for free. For how many people should I give the plate? Hawker said that to Samir sir, and Samir said, Yadav ji, at least give him one plate to eat. And then, at least look at his age. Samir said, talk about the old man. And Papa, where are you? Was searching you for long. I told you don't come out of the car. And what is this? Who said that? This person. You can watch. You can see on your mobile screen the person. That person. Sorry, this person says to her father, and her father suffering from Alzheimer. Where were you? Was searching you for long. I told you don't come out of the car, and what is this? Are you getting? And then, excuse me, how much he has to pay? Who said that? A person who wear glass sunglasses. A person who wears sunglasses. He said to Hawker, and let it, let it be, sir. It's okay. Let it be, sir. It's okay. You can search on Google this. What is the meaning of this line? And then, why okay? Tell me the amount I will pay you. He said to Hawker, please uh, tell me the amount I will pay you. And then, how come it's all right? You just keep the money, take it. How come it's all right? You just keep the money, take it. Who said that? A person who wears sunglasses. And Hawker said that, okay, sir, if you are telling so much, I will keep it. Keep it. Give it to me. And then, I told you don't come out of the car. Still you come out. He said that. A person said his father. And then, excuse me, who said that? Samir said his name is Ravinder. So he said that, excuse me, and he said, is he your father? He said, is he your father? And then, what happened to him? He is suffering from Alzheimer disease. The father sons describe his father. He is suffering from Alzheimer disease, and because of this he has lost his memory. Because of his lost his memory, and he can't speak also. And sorry, I am extremely sorry. And you must be facing lots of problem because of him. Who said that? Ravinder said to son, you must be facing lots of problem because of him, like take care of them. And when they won't go to washroom, it somewhere, sometime it can be 2 p.m. and sometime it can be early morning, and sometime it can be where you won't go anywhere. So at that time he want to go washroom. And when he lost his memory, he cannot uh, do his work properly. And the fixed time as well, you can say that. That means, if all the people want to go to the bed due to sleep, so at the time the person who lost his memory, he want to awoke at that time. It can be. Are you getting this thing? And then, yes, but after all he is my father, the son answer to that person. Are you getting? And yes, but after all he is my father. If you don't mind, I can give you some advice. Why don't you send him to an old age home? Why don't you send him to an old age home? Who said that? The white t-shirt wear person who has his name Ravinder, and there some time I read Samir as well. So Ravinder said to son, Why don't you send him an old age home? Why don't you send him an old age home? Can I tell you something? In my childhood, when I used to get lost, can I tell you something? In my childhood, when I used to get lost, my father used to risk his life for searching me. My father used to risk his life to searching me. The son described and the son, uh, yes, the son addressing how many qualities have my father. Some of qualities have my father. Are you getting? And then, and today, wherever I am, only because of my father. And today, whatever I am, because of my father, the son said. And by the way, my father doesn't stay my home. In fact, I stay in my father's home. Are you getting? So somewhere you can practically life can be different role, and sometime we can see this kind of people in the world, because this type of people, earth could be um, earth could be, what do we call, अटकी हुई है in these people. Are you getting? So we can say that this type of people, uh, this type of people in this world, but it rarely, but yeah, but this type of people we get rarely. Are you getting? And by the way, my father doesn't stay my house. In fact, I stay father's house. Are you getting? So I can't misbehave with him like this. I can't even think about it. So I can't misbehave with him like this. I can't even think about it. Anyways, thanks for your advice. Dad, shall we go? And a person who were his name was Ravinder, he realized that uh, I leave my mother at old age home. It was my fault, it was my mistake, and he is a good and adorable and honest person, but I am not, he realized. So he called in an old age home, and what he say, you can read in this picture like that. Hello Radhika old age home, I am Samir. I want to talk my mother. So he realized, I am not. I am dishonest person to my mother. So I would be talk to my mother as well. He realized. So we can say that it was the last. Uh, it was the last conclusion. Are you getting? So if we are practically honest with our parents, with our husband, with our wife, with our siblings, so we cannot, in this world we can achieve more things if we will honest while doing something. Like, you know, notice some people live alone in abroad and in India and anywhere. His and her wife live alone and he cheated to them, and he think about no one can uh, no one can what do we call no one call nobody cannot see me. So how can be possible no one cannot see me? If anybody cannot see us, so Allah and God see us. If anybody cannot see us, but Allah and God see us. If we live any if we live any abroad, if we live any office, if we live any specific areas, but God see us. So please focus on that person and be honest, be calm, be patient, and be positive. Your life will be easy. Take care of this bad things. So this was my last message for everyone and for me as well. That's all for now.